Hey, how's it going? Today I'll show you how to download and set up Tivimate IPTV Player app on your Amazon Firestick in 2025. The whole process will be pretty easy and will take you only a couple of minutes. And firstly, you need to get the app called Downloader to your Firestick. If you already have Downloader on your device and it is properly set up, then you could actually skip this step. But if you don't have Downloader yet, or you are unsure if it is set up correctly, then of course you need to follow me. So let's just go to the search bar on your Firestick and do all those steps together. So we open the search and start typing Downloader in here. And usually there's even no need to enter the whole name of the app because, as you can see, Downloader has already popped out for us at the bottom. You just click on it and here's the app, which you need to get to your device. But then after you got Downloader, obviously, before actually using it, you still need to set it up. So now to set up Downloader, let's go and click on that button with a gear icon, then scroll down and go to My Fire TV. Open it. And in here, you'll have to turn on the developer options on your Fire TV Stick device. But on some Fire Sticks, and especially on the new Fire Stick devices, the developer options might be hidden by default. So if that's the case, and you cannot find developer options anywhere, then no need to worry because it's pretty easy to make them appear. You just need to go to About, select Fire TV Stick, and now you have to start clicking on the middle button on your remote. And do it fast, so let's do it. And as you can see now for me at the bottom, it says no need, you are already a developer. That's in my case. And in your case, it will say that you have become a developer now. So if you go back a bit, you will finally see developer options. Open them, make sure to turn on the ADB debugging right here. After that, go into Install Unknown Apps. And from here, all you have to do is just locate Downloader and turn this option on. So what it does, it's gonna allow you to install other applications from the internet and not necessarily only those apps which are only available in your official Amazon App Store by default. And that's exactly what we'll do right now. So we just go back to a list of apps near Fire TV Stick. Let's open it together. And here's the downloader, which we got to your device. But then, before actually using Downloader, there is one more thing, which I always recommend doing. And it's of course connecting to a VPN. In my case, I mostly use NordVPN. Because they're super fast, they got a great app for Fire Sticks, Android TVs, phones, laptops, or pretty much any other device you may use. And they are not expensive for such a premium service. In fact, they cost less than a cup of coffee per month, which is a great pricing for us, the users. And all you have to do in a VPN app is just connect to any server. Let's say we'll connect to Luxembourg right now. And from the moment you connect, all your traffic is gonna be totally encrypted. It means that no one can track you or snoop on you online. And that's really important if you want to stay out of trouble. And if you don't have a VPN yet, but you want to try it out, then I do have a great offer for you. If you use my link, which will be in a pinned comment below this video or in a description of this video, you will get 3 months of NordVPN totally for free, which is an amazing offer. And if you're watching this video on your TV or on your Fire Stick, then just grab your phone or your computer, open up a web browser, and go to topvpnoffer.com. That's my website, which is going to give you the same amazing deal for NordVPN with 3 months for free. Or just scan the QR code, which you can see on the screen right now, with a camera of your phone. It works the same way, and it's also going to give you the same deal for Nord. And now, finally, let's use Downloader safely. So we just go back straight to the list of apps on your device. There it is, let's open it. And now it's time to start using the downloader. So we open the downloader application, and now here in the search bar, you just have to enter a link to download the Tivimate app to your Firestick. So it's gonna be tivimate.com. Let's just enter that link together. Once again, it's tivimate.com. Here you go, just enter the link as you can see on my screen and without making any mistakes. Then you click on go, and while it's loading, make sure to subscribe my channel, so you would get even more content about Firesticks. And then when this web page opens, we have to scroll it down until you see that blue download APK button. That's exactly what we're looking for here. Click on download, and now the download of the app will start. Usually it does not take long, but of course it all depends on your connection speed. Then just click install and wait a bit until the app gets fully installed to your Firestick device. After that, don't click open yet. Instead, it's better to press done, because this way you get an option to delete the installation files, as you don't really need them anymore on your Firestick. So just click on delete and then delete once again. This way you will be able to save yourself some free space on your device. And it's really important, because by default, your Firestick doesn't really have too much of free space available anyway. And then let's head back to the list of apps on your Firestick, open tab, and here at the bottom you will find the Tivimate now. So now, first of all, I would recommend you to click on the Options button on your remote. That's the button with 3 horizontal lines, right next to the Home button on your remote. Just click on it, and on the right side, on the menu, click on Move to Front. This way, the app will always be at the very top of your application list, and therefore, it will be way easier for you to access the app every time you need it. Just don't forget to keep the VPN connected to stay safe and out of trouble online. And once again, you can use my link below this video to get 3 months of NordVPN totally for free. Then let's finally open the Tivimate application. All you have to do in here is click on Add a Playlist, and then it depends on your IPTV provider. If they gave you an extreme code, in that case you click on this option, and then enter the link to your server, which once again was given to you by your IPTV provider, and then also enter a username and a password. Then you click next, and the IPTV playlist is gonna appear on your Firestick. But alternatively, some IPTV providers might also give you an MFreeU playlist. In that case, you select this option, and all you have to do is just enter the link right here, click on next, and that playlist will appear in your Tivimate application. So that's the easy way how you can download a Tivimate application and set up it for your Amazon Fire Stick device. So enjoy and see you next time. Bye bye.